Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get these gnomes on Grow a Garden. So there will be these traveling merchants that come around every 4 hours. Right now it is the gnome merchant. You're just going to go up to them. Name is Gnomeo. So you're just going to select whichever one you want to buy. I already purchased like 2 already. I think it's going to show like 2 every time it spawns out of the 4. And it's going to spawn every 4 hours, but it's not going to always be the gnome merchant, so you have to look out for that. It also stays around for only 30 minutes, so just keep your eye out every 4 hours. 12 p.m 4 p.m 12 a.m 4 a.m 8 a.m 12 p.m 4 p.m and then 8 p.m UTC time. And that is how you can get gnomes on Grow a Garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, you can leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!